Palm Sunday, and normally we'd be giving you a palm like this, a palm cross to be blessed. Obviously we can't give you an actual palm cross, so we've got a few ideas, things you could do at home to be ready for Palm Sunday for this cross. So the first option is you've all got a palm, and if you'd like to, you can write on it, draw a cross, 2020, and write palm cross. It will also be a test later for how well you're washing your hands. If you prefer something less written on your hands, you might want to use some sticks to make a cross, or you might prefer to use a branch, maybe something like this, something you've got in your garden or outside, a branch that you could use to remembering actually the waving of palms. Palm branch cross. Peter's going to show you now one way that you could fold some paper to make a palm cross.
For our Palm Sunday service, you're going to need some sort of palm cross. And here's one way of folding a cross. Well, you can use a leaf or pretty well anything that's long and thin and flat. I'm going to use one of these. So take your long and thin and flat thing and you fold it in the middle down, and you wrap the right hand side all the way around until it's back where it started, like that. And then wrap this round the back, through the bit at the front, get all the way through to make the knot, and then you just tuck it back, about that much, tuck in this one, and you've got the cross piece. All that remains to do is fold this through the middle, and there's your palm cross.
Another way you might make a palm cross, this time you need just a sheet of paper, and you fold the top corner down, fold it like that, so you've got one corner, and then you fold this corner down here, so this corner folds back down here, like this, and then you fold the two sides together like this. So you end up with a sort of half an arrow, and then you find about the midpoint here. Then all you need to do, I'm actually going to fold it to make it easier for me. You're going to tear down the side. I'm doing it in two bits. I've used really thick paper. And then when you open it up, you get your very own cross. However you make your palm cross, or you choose to use as your cross to remember this week, any of it I'm hoping will be a reminder to you to help you as together we journey through Holy Week. And our plan, hopefully you'll see on your screen now, for Holy Week is together through the cross. We've got Bishop Debbie, Archdeacon Peter joining myself and Peter and others from across our congregations as together we journey through Holy Week. Do join us for any of these events through the week.